The amazing journey toward a better future. Peter always dreamed of improving his life and proving to himself that he was capable of overcoming challenges. He lived in a small town where opportunities were limited, but he never stopped believing that his effort could change his future. While drinking his coffee, he received an important message about a job opportunity in another city. He researched the company, talked to some friends, and carefully thought about the changes that would happen in his life. One morning, Peter decided to wake up earlier than usual and organize his plans. At first, Peter felt nervous because he had never lived far away from his family. He wanted to create a better routine, study more, and prepare himself for new opportunities. He wanted to find out all the details before making such a big decision. The first weeks in the new city were not easy. Everything was different: the streets, the people, and the daily routine. Sometimes Peter felt tired and thought about returning home, but he decided he would not give up. He remembered all the effort he had made to reach that moment. At work, Peter met some friendly co-workers who helped him adapt. One of them showed him how to look after his responsibilities and stay organized. Little by little, Peter became more confident and started enjoying his new life. Months passed, and Peter noticed that he was becoming a stronger person. He learned from his mistakes, improved his skills, and discovered that challenges could make him grow. Even when problems appeared, he chose to carry on and keep moving forward. In the end, Peter realized that great achievements do not happen overnight. They require patience, courage, and determination. His journey taught him that every difficult moment can become a step toward a better future.